Hey guys, so I was just recently attacked for having a Patreon and I thought it was kind of ironic. Now, here's one of the things that I provide is right now that is Putin. Let me get my finger in the right spot. Yeah. Why can I not get there it is. That's Putin and his buddy from Uzbekistan who are talking about unilateral agreements. Now, please tell me how you have time to do this at work. Please tell me how you have time to do this kind of stuff while you're taking care of your kids or cleaning your house. You don't. You don't have time to do this stuff. I do it. It's one of the things that I actually do for the Patreons. And then if it's important, then I'll pass it on. And if people have questions, then I can answer them. So, yeah, you got to get your ass into Patreon. You guys are really missing out on a lot of stuff. Yes, this is shameless self-promotion. And what is that, South 37 or 37 South? Hey, man, suck it. Go away. You haven't made a video in 7 months. You talk a good game. You write diatribes. And no, I'm not pissed. I just talk like this because I'm an intense human being. Because I actually believe in what I'm saying. All right, guys. Until the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll get back to work. By the way, Russian, English. Gotta love it. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.